Took a while for me to go full-time in the affiliate marketing industry, not because it was hard, not because I didn't have the secret, code, or I didn't break the secret code, but mainly because mentally, I came in this thing unsure of what I wanted to do. I came in this thing talking and trying so hard to find the easy, the easy method to crack the code instead of seeing what was around me. And pretty much taking action in the right thing, taking action as far as being consistent. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell is pretty much like this. Whether it's a tangible product or a digital product. If it's a digital product, it's someone that most likely made this digital product geared towards someone, whether it's real estate, whether it's marketing, whether it's relationship advice. It all depends. And if it's a tangible product, kind of similar, someone made these tangible products, they're most likely unique. Like, you can't just go to the store and get these things. And what happens is the company doesn't spend millions in advertising, they spend millions in the affiliate. They find someone that's really geared towards, making extra cash or really into that certain product, and gets them to pretty much spread the message in a nutshell, pretty much get it out there. And if it's digital and it's in the online marketing space, what better way to, get your digital training out there than to put it in the hands of marketers that do this for a living. So it's really simple as that. People make it so complicated. People come in this thing and they really don't understand what's going on. So pretty much you're going to be, promoting a product, whether it's tangible or digital, to the masses. You're pretty much going to be getting the word out there. And they so happen, instead of just paying you a full few dollars, they put a compensation plan, a whole compensation plan. You have the industry of MLM, multi-level marketing, that people, call them pyramid. But life is a pyramid. People confuse pyramid with, just a regular pyramid with actual pyramid scheme, which meaning there's no product, there's no service. There's pretty much just exchanging of cash. But they, connect just a regular pyramid with pyramid scheme. So every time you hear pyramid, period, the person either going to get offended that's in the company, or the person that's saying it is gathering those two things together. Pyramid in life is, in everything. You go to a job, you have the worker, you have the supervisor, you have the plant manager, you have his boss, then you have his boss, and then you have the person that actually owns the whole establishment. It's a pyramid. You're looking to get to the top of that pyramid, but 9 times out of 10, you're not going to get to the top of that pyramid. So pyramid is not bad. Pyramid scheme is bad, but pyramid, so when someone says, is that pyramid thing, blah, 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 whatever, just people that do not know. So now that we got the fact of, what is affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, like, for example, like I said, MLM, it's usually team building. Affiliate marketing is usually just you promoting a product. Sometimes you get overrides, you'll make a little bit of something that the people that you brought in does as well. Then you have network marketing, which kind of goes hand in hand with MLM, usually, team building, etc. But network marketing is kind of the big industry of MLM, and affiliate marketing is more so direct sales. Like I said, you product purchases, single-handedly grind. Usually no team building going on too much, no MLM, like I said. But now that we got what is the whole industry in the whole, because a lot of people get in this thing and always say, what do I do when I join? What do I do? Before they even watch the video. So now that we're really talking about newbies on fire, this specific company is geared around digital products. These digital products are geared around helping you learn the marketing industry and helping you learn, digital products, how to make digital products, and how to market digital products, and sometimes even other things such as drop shipping, different things you can do in the marketing world. But what we have done is we've added our own personal training that's going to allow you to also get in this thing and pretty much do whatever you want. So say you get fired from your job today, you will be able to get online, get involved with one of these companies and market it. A lot of people jump company to company, not knowing that the thing that you're lacking is marketing skills. It's not so much the company, it's marketing skills. Even if you wanted to go independent, with the skills that you're going to learn online, you can work for a corporation, work for a company, because we specialize in social media, videos, ads, all sorts of different things. Like all those ads you see on social media and all those ads you run to, we specialize in how to do that. That's most likely someone in our field, you know what I mean? Except, big corporations have somebody like us to do that. But it's most likely one of us running these YouTube ads, Facebook ads, etc. So the products in the company are geared toward that. Digital products, video training, on top of our own personal training we added. So these companies with these digital products is pretty much just geared to get you developed in this industry to be a marketer. A lot of people come in, know nothing what to do. That's why a lot of people make no money online, because they do not understand what to do, even terminology, even, where to start, website, promoting. They just know absolutely nothing. So a company like Newbies on Fire is going to do that for you. As far as the pay structure, I'll pretty much break down the as simple as I can the logistics of how we get paid. For example, say we have a $25 level, which comes with a certain amount of digital products. The higher the levels comes with more knowledge. People pay for knowledge. People go to seminars, people pay for webinars, people pay for knowledge. You can't be a great real estate agent without getting knowledge. And it's just, that's what things, books, you pay for knowledge. So say we're starting at just a $25 level, which comes with a certain amount of knowledge. Say someone comes to your website, wants to get in at the $25 level. They say, that's enough knowledge for me, or that's the budget that I'm able to fit right now. They buy it. What's going to happen is they're going to pay you directly. It doesn't go to this company. We're paid member to member. That's why I like instant commission, affiliate marketing type companies, because you're paid real time that day. You're able to set up different payment processors. A payment processor is PayPal, Cash App, different things like Zelle. So when this person comes to your website, they're going to see all these different forms that they can pay. Some people don't trust certain processors. Some people like, certain ones. So they're going to pay you directly. The second thing that's going to happen is there is an admin fee with every level. An admin fee is, upkeeping of the website, upkeeping of, the tools, pretty much how the company affords the system itself. So they're going to pay a $25 admin fee, and different levels have different admin fees. So they're going to pay $25 for the product, for everything that comes with it, website, digital products, training, etc. Then they're going to pay a few dollars admin fee for what I said, upkeeping, website, etc., etc. And like I said, each level comes with a bigger admin fee, the bigger the level. So that's pretty much what's going to happen. Then they're going to have access to the back office, which has everything hosted. Websites, your websites to share, your autoresponder, which pretty much when someone comes to your website, they're going to fill out their email and name, and you're going to be able to collect that lead. So say they didn't buy today, you'll be able to send an email out to these leads, and remind them like, hey, I see you didn't pay, or I see you didn't join today. Here's the link again. Or you can talk about your life. You can talk about your story. We'll get more to that on the training side. So that's that's the gist of how to get started and what's going to happen when you get started. You're going to get access to, like I said, the whole back office, website, training, all of that. And now you are able to earn 100% commissions as quick as today. Income disclaimer, no income is guaranteed. That's why I don't really focus on money. I don't focus on etc. I focus on the meat and potatoes, because my biggest thing right now is helping people make money. I could make money on my own, but I feel like you become more significant when you can help someone who's never done this, especially. make a living online. I'd rather you be able to give me a testimony that you made money online and you did this thing than me showing a clip of money. You know what I mean? People are forgetting about the people. So those are the gist. I hope I could really break this thing down. I like to make videos and repeat myself over and over because sometimes I forget things. And I want you to have a general observation on what's going to happen when you come into Newbies on Fire and what to expect. The great thing is there's no monthly fees. There's no recurring fees as far as the system and getting started with the system. There's all one time. So say you come in at the $500 level, you pay your membership level and your admin fee, you're locked in for life. You know, long as the company stays available, you know, things happen, but long as the company stays alive, the person that created the company doesn't somehow close down, you are for life have a platform to make up to 500, in that case, up to $500 commissions on a daily basis. You know, you're gifted in for life. So you always have a business. Say you go back to your job and you forget about this for 3 months, 5 months. You can come back and still be locked in to go refer your website and still make money. I hope this video is, I'm trying to make this specific video as simple and repetitive as I can so you can understand what's going on when joining Newbies on Fire. This and a few other things have been my avenue to quit my job and take that leap of faith and get out here and do this full time. So you're gonna see my face a lot, and hopefully I can bring some value to you. Hopefully I can bring some value to you and give you a more relaxing, I can do this type of vibe, because I know a lot of people look at these videos and they feel like these people are robots. I can't do this. These guys have a big marketing budget. Well, I'm here to tell you I'm a regular guy with an average marketing budget. But, you know, I guess I just have some significance and a lot of people see that in me. So subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos. It's going to be a great summer if you plug in as quick as possible. Plug in and let's just do this thing. It's not gonna be quick. It's not gonna be just overnight. You're not gonna make $5,000, $10,000. Let's just be real. But this has the potential to pay you well. Just plug in and say this. Say, I'm gonna plug in. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do the training. I'm gonna take notes on a daily basis, and I'm gonna make this thing my everything. I'm gonna make this thing my job. I'm gonna make this thing, you know, my number one priority. Obviously not over your family and kids, etc. But I'm gonna make this thing my number one priority. So at least 1 or 2 hours a day, I'm gonna go hard with this. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you some of the methods, all the methods that I do, and I'm gonna really mentally get into your head and show you how I come off in my mindset. So I hope you're ready to come in. I hope you're ready to come in. It's going to be very exciting.